Kalodi, I'll tell you a story. Which farmer, poor family, they was very kind. One day, a man came there to live in their home. They gave everyone to earn money to chase their money. Because they live a two family, they were very stinky. They did not give anyone to anything to have their lunch dinner. They broke everything what they need. The poor family did not broke anything. Why? Because they had nothing to touch. Too stinky. Wise twice they fast time. In a way, they become conscious. A poor man came to him. In a way, they came a man also look on a lazy lock on a door like this. What happened then, kids? They had a nice rich man to cousin a nice home stories to buy this camel. They did not open, they luckily closed the door bigly. And then a man saw a poor man's home. Then he eat tasty meal and then he slept.